बच्चा पहली बार स्कूल जा रहा है तो उसे ये वाक्य ज़रूर सिखाएं। 50 must know sentences for school kids. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin the video. Basic greetings and politeness. Good morning, madam. Hello, how are you? Bye, see you tomorrow. Thank you. You're welcome. Please help me. May I go to the washroom, please? I'm sorry. May I drink some water? I'm hungry. Can I eat? Asking for help. Where is the playground? Can you please sharpen my pencil? Can you please open my lunchbox? Can you please help find my pencil? I have headache. Can you call my mom? Making friends. Can I play with you? What's your name? My name is. Please pass me the ball. Do you want to play with my toys? Expressing needs and feelings. I'm thirsty. I miss my dad. I'm not feeling well. When can I go home? He hit me with his pencil. I want to go home. I'm feeling tired. I lost my pencil. I'm not finding my water bottle. I'm feeling cold. Basic manners and courtesies. Can I sit here? Thank you for helping me. I'm sorry I lost your book. Ma'am, I'm sorry for coming late. Can I go out and play? Staying safe and asking for help. I'm lost. Can you help me? I don't know where my bag is. I spilled water on my shirt. Can you please open my lunchbox? Teacher, can you please sharpen my pencil? Following rules. Okay, teacher, I'll listen carefully. May I sit with my friend? Can I answer this question? Can I throw the paper in the trash can? Can I change my seat, please? Activities and playtime. Teacher, I can't write this. Can I color this picture? Can I join the game? Can I share my toys with him? Sir, I finished my work. That's all for today. See you in the next video.